Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to turn on your ultimate performance on your PC, how to turn on your storage sense mode, and turn off any background apps that you may have running on your PC. Please remember to keep watching. At the end of this video, we're offering a coupon code to all of our Microsoft users. Okay, so we're going to start off this video by going into our start menu. And from our start menu, we're gonna go ahead and select your settings. So go ahead and click that. Once the settings window pops open, we're gonna select systems. And as you can see, we're gonna have different options for you to select. We're gonna go into power and sleep. So go ahead and select that. And as you can see, we have different options here for your screen and for sleep, but we're gonna go into additional power settings. From there, we're gonna click it, and you can see that we have different preferred plans. We have the recommended one, and we have the high performance one, which is the one that we're using right now. But if you click the little arrow, you can see that we have a power saver mode. So we're gonna go ahead and go into our search bar, and we're gonna type in command prompt. Now a window pops open. You're gonna go into a video and copy and paste the code that we have saved on this video into this command prompt. You're gonna click enter, and then you're gonna X out of it. And we're gonna go again into additional power settings, and you can see now that we have an additional plan here for energy on our computer. We're gonna select the ultimate performance one, or we can select the balance recommended one, whichever one you choose. In this case, we use the recommended one. Now we're gonna go into our storage. Don't X out of that window. So as you can see here, we have different options for our storage, and you can see the apps, features, desktop, and other populating. We're gonna click on storage sense. On storage sense, we can select every options we have every day, every week, every month, or during low disk space. We're gonna select it to run every month. From here, we can select when we want any files to be deleted. We have it for every 30 days. And delete files in my downloads folder. We can select from different time frames, but we're gonna select never because we wanna make sure which files are getting deleted. You can also free up any space now. So if you're low on this space, you can select that option and clean now. We're gonna go back into our settings. And from here, we're gonna go into privacy. In privacy, we're gonna scroll down, and you can see all of the different options that we have here, and we're gonna go into background apps. From here, you can see all of the apps that are running in your background, and we're gonna toggle that. You can select which apps you want your computer to be running in the background, so you can toggle on and off if you want any games running, if you want Cortana, or any additional settings. It's very easy to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn off all of the games that come with a computer because we don't want that. Thank you for watching the video. Please keep watching and like and subscribe. Also, we're gonna be offering all of our viewers who finish this video a 5% discount on any product on our website with the coupon code YouTubeGet5. That is YouTubeGet, GET 5. Thank you.